Today we're going to be learning what's called the perimeter. The perimeter is the distance around, let me write the definition underneath here, the distance around the polygon. Okay, so let's say we have a polygon. Let's say we have a triangle like this. The perimeter would be, if we start at one point, just going around this triangle like this. That would be the perimeter of that triangle. And same thing for squares, or in this case a rectangle. The perimeter, you just start at one point and you just go around. It's the distance around that polygon. So that would be the perimeter. So when you're finding the perimeter of a polygon, basically what you need to do is that you just need to add all the sides together. So for example, let's actually put numbers here now. Let's say that this side here is 10 centimeters. This side is 6 centimeters, and this side is 7 centimeters. Then what would be the perimeter of this triangle? In other words, what would be the distance around this triangle? And if you go around like this, that's 10, right? And then that's 6, and then go that way, that's 7. And you just need to add all the distance together. So if you do 10 plus 6 plus 7, you're going to get 23. So the perimeter of this triangle is going to be, I'll just write P for perimeter. Perimeter is going to be 23 centimeters. Okay, so when you're finding the perimeter of a polygon, you just add all the sides together. Right? We just did 10 plus 6 plus 7. And the same thing, you can do the same thing for rectangles. Say for this rectangle, we have 5 meters this side, 12 meters, 5 meters here, and 12 meters here. What would be the perimeter of this rectangle? And let's go around this rectangle and see what we get. So if you start here and go this way, that's going to be 12. And then we go up, that's going to be 5. And then we go this way, that's going to be 12. And then we go down. Okay, we went all the way around. So we just add up all these numbers, 12 plus 5 plus 12 plus 5, which is going to be 34 meters. An important thing about perimeters, or for any calculations that involves measurement, is that you need to include the unit. Okay, make sure you include centimeters or meters or kilometers. Okay, so for this rectangle, you just did the same thing. You just added up all the sides. You add up all the sides to get the perimeter. That equals 34. And you can do this even for polygons that you don't know the name for. So let me clear this board here. Oops. Erased some of the definition mistake. All right, so let's say we have a weird looking polygon like this one, okay? And let's say that this side is 5 kilometers. This side is also 5 kilometers. This side is 6 kilometers, 8 kilometers, and 7 kilometers. What would be the perimeter of this shape, or this polygon? And basically, again, it's the same concept. You just add all the sides. You add up all the sides together. So if you go around, that's 5, 6, 8, 7, 5, right? So you just add up all the sides. You get 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. Let's see what we get here. That's going to be 11. That's going to be 15. So that's going to be 20. 20 plus 11 is going to be 31 kilometers. Okay, and that's our answer right there. Okay, so that's what we mean by perimeter. When we say perimeter, it means the distance around the polygon, and what you need to do is you just need to add up all the sides of that polygon to get the perimeter, and make sure you include the unit as well.